Hey everybody, David Bradley here, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I've got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Let's go. Today's tip is an anonymous quote sent to me by my buddy David Starline. Here we go. Start now. Start where you are. Start with fear. Start with pain. Start with doubt. Start with hand shaking. Start with voice trembling. But start. Start. But don't stop. Start where you are. Start with what you have. Just start. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, send an email out to david@grantcardone.com, call 310-777-0352, or head on over to cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching, cardonesolutions.com/coaching, and be great, because nothing else pays. See you soon.